First of all, place the trunks side by side and lower the handlebars. Press down all the brakes on the trunks. Open the front hatch and take out the connectors and adapters. The robot trunk includes knobs, connectors, and adapters for assembling the trunk. This is the connector you need to connect both trunks. Open the robot trunk and take out the robot cable. You will then see two knobs on the sidewall. Unscrew both of them. At the front of the trunk, unscrew the knobs near the upper truss and lower it to the bottom. Pull up the base and flip out the inner brackets on both sides to support the robot base. Remove the robot's protection foam and install the knobs to connect and stabilize the base. Here, it is crucial to make the robot cable pass through both the trunk base and the front hatch. So please make sure the cable passes through the trunk correctly before replacing the upper truss and the front hatch. Connect both sides of the upper truss in front and back. This helps to stabilize the trunks and reduces the vibration while the robot is running. Unplug the AC power and the robot cable from the connector. Unscrew the connectors and the knobs. Place the protection foam back on the robot. Open the front hatch and lower the upper truss. Place the brackets back against the wall. Place the base back in the trunk. Place the upper truss back and screw the knobs tightly. Place the knobs back onto the base and screw tightly. Wrap up the cable and put it back into the trunk. Replace the front hatches and the upper hatch. Release all the brakes and pull up the handlebars. Now your TM robot trunks are ready to go.